Welcome back, Divine Detox Goddesses. I'm Christine Odell, and this is day 2 of our Rock Your Detox 7-Day Challenge. Today is a learning day, so I'm going to give you an overview of why it's so important to deal with harmful foods, behaviors, and cravings, and how to eliminate them. Then tomorrow, on day 3 of our challenge, I will guide you through an action step to actually apply what you learn in this video so you can actually eliminate at least one harmful food, one harmful behavior, and one pesky craving that's been plaguing you. So I think you know by now that I really want you to get awesome detox results during the 7-day challenge. And I know you want that too. But here's the thing. The number one reason women in my community fall off the detox wagon is due to food cravings and caving into them. And the second reason women fall off the detox wagon is due to emotional and social saboteurs. Now, both of these reasons come down to our behaviors during our detox and how well we handle them. We need to look not only at what's going on physically, but what's going on emotionally that is causing us to behave in ways we don't intend to. And if emotional and social saboteurs are influencing the way we eat, then we need to look carefully at our commitments and goals about our detox journey and make adjustments to our behaviors accordingly. Now, is that an easy thing to do? Absolutely not. I'm not going to sugarcoat the difficulty of detoxification and regeneration, but I will say that it really isn't that much about the food. It's about knowing what you want and why you want it. Which brings me back to yesterday's video when I asked you to create your detox why. Did you do that yet? Do you see why that is so important to keep you on track towards radiant health? Do you understand that you must have discipline and emotional fortitude on this difficult detox journey? Okay, let's all take a deep breath here. And let's consider that you may not have the support you need to stay super strong while you walk your detox success path. So that is what our Rock Your Detox Challenge is designed to do, to help you learn how to stay on your detox diet and path, and to guide you and coach you through the difficult, frustrating, and disappointing times. And as some of you know already, I've spent the past 3 months trying to figure out how I can help you by creating a community of other women who need this kind of support too. And the result of that is my new Divine Detox membership for women. Now I'll share more about that later, but for now, just know that I am keenly aware of what you are going through. I've gone through it too and still have challenges with the Divine Detox lifestyle I've chosen to live, so I can enjoy incredibly rich and fulfilling life. So today, I'm not giving you any action steps. I'll do that tomorrow on day 3. But for now, I want you to reflect on the most challenging behaviors you may need to change so you can really rock your detox and get way better results on your detox and healing journey. I know most of you know what foods are not on the Divine Detox diet, like meat, dairy, grains, beans, nuts, and all processed and junk foods. And most of you have cravings and know you need to have a go-to strategy so you don't cave in, like a snack to balance your adrenal fatigue, or maybe an activity to calm you, like a walk or some meditation. And we all know that we need to learn to deal with emotional and social challenges, with personal and spiritual growth. So watch for tomorrow's video, and I'll walk you through some great strategies for eliminating the foods, behaviors, and cravings that are derailing you from the success I know you truly want on your detox. I'll share a great handout that will help you with all of this, so no worries, I've got you covered. See you again tomorrow. And now, I send you all my love, compassion, and hope for your healing. Namaste.